If you want to get free games on Epic Games, this quick guide will show you exactly how to claim them the right way and how to stay updated so you never miss a giveaway. Just a quick note first. Epic Games usually gives away free games weekly, not daily. Daily free games only happen during special events like holiday sales or major promotions. So if you've been looking for free games every single day, that only happens sometimes, but the weekly free game drops are the real thing you should check regularly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer, or go to the Epic Games website in your browser. Once you're in, head over to the Store section. This is where Epic usually highlights current deals, featured games, and most importantly, the free game section. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Free Games. You should see one or more games available for a limited time. Click on the game you want to claim. On the game page, look for the Get button. Click that, and Epic will take you to the checkout screen. Don't worry, even though it says checkout, the price should be $0. Just complete the checkout process normally, making sure the total is free before you confirm. Once you finish that step, the game is added to your Epic Games library permanently. That means even after the free offer ends, the game stays in your account forever as long as you claimed it on time. Now, if you specifically want those daily free game promotions, those usually happen only during special event periods like holiday events or Epic Mega Sale events. During those times, Epic may release a new free game every 24 hours, so the key is to claim it before the day ends. If you miss that window, you lose the offer, so timing matters a lot. To never miss a free game, the best thing you can do is check Epic Games every Thursday, since that's when the weekly free games usually refresh. You should also turn on email notifications from Epic because they often send updates when new free games are live. And if you really want to stay ahead, follow Epic Games on social media so you can spot special promotions as soon as they go live. Here's one more quick tip. Once you claim a free game, it's yours forever, even after the promotion ends. So even if you don't plan to play it right away, always claim it while it's free. That way your library keeps growing without spending anything. So to recap, open Epic Games, go to the store, find the free games section, click Get, complete the $0 checkout, and the game is yours permanently. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.